Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your Cash App unable to purchase Bitcoin at this time issue on your device. So I'm going to be showing you various methods on how you can fix it. So all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let us get started. For example, if you're not able to purchase a Bitcoin on your Cash App account, then the first reason might be your internet connection. If you have a slow internet connection, then it might be one of the reasons why you're not able to purchase a Bitcoin. So before you get started, make sure to check your internet connection. Other thing, you can simply remove or replace your debit card. So what you need to do is, first of all, you'll have to log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, you need to tap on payment method. After that, you'll be directed to your banking page, which means that you'll have all the information about your debit card and the bank that is linked to your account. So you'll need to tap on linked account, which is right at the bottom. And after that, you have a drop down menu. So what you need to do is you simply need to tap on remove debit card in case if you want to remove it, and in case if you want to replace it, then tap on replace debit card. And after that, you'll have to link a new debit card to your Cash App account. After you replace or remove your debit card, you might be able to fix your issue. So those were the few methods on how you can fix Cash App unable to purchase issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.